How to fix installed apps not showing on home screen. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys if you're facing the problem that your installed apps are not showing on your home screen on your Samsung device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your phone settings, and then from here you just have to scroll down to head over to home screen settings. Just tap on it, and once you do that, you just have to make sure to turn this one on, add new apps to home screen. But even if this option is on and you still are facing the issue, then what you need to do is find your app settings and tap on it. Now from here, you're just going to search for One UI and just tap on One UI Home. Now head over to storage and directly clear its cache first, and then clear data simultaneously. Go back and tap on permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then what you're going to do is tap on force stop and force stop this application to ensure all of the background activities are stopped. And finally, after doing all of that, give your phone a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.